You've got a melody in your head and you want it on a piano or synth or bass, but programming it note by note is slow, and by the time you figure it out, the feeling is probably gone. Logic Pro can listen to you hum the melody and turn it into MIDI. Here's how. Create an audio track and record yourself humming the melody. Then enable flex pitch. Click the Show or Hide Flex button at the top of the track area. Open the region and set Flex Mode to Flex Pitch. Logic analyzes the recording and shows each note as a bar. Before converting, clean up the pitch. Select all notes with Command A, right-click and choose Set All to Perfect Pitch. Listen back and fix anything that snapped to the wrong note. Now the actual conversion. Right-click the audio region and choose the option to convert Flex Pitch to a new MIDI track. Logic creates a new software instrument track with your melody as MIDI. From there, load any instrument you want. Piano, synth, bass, strings, whatever you like. The MIDI is just data, the sound is your choice. One last step most tutorials skip. Open the new MIDI region and clean it up in the piano roll. Delete stray short notes from breath sounds. Fix note lengths that don't match what you've played. Move everything that landed in the wrong octave, and in just 2 minutes of cleanup, you turn a rough idea into a usable melody. This workflow is really useful in 3 situations. When you want a melody on an instrument you can't play, when inspiration hits and you need to capture an idea fast, and when you write melodically with your voice before thinking an instrument. This is a sketching tool, not a replacement for learning the piano roll. But right for the moment in between, this is a really nice hack to get your melody into Logic. See you in the next one.